Ahoy! welcome and welcome to Keith and Lizanne's food channel. Not really, just joking. But we are going to make you a nice biltong potjie today.
Why?
Because we couldn't do it last week.
No, because everybody at the festival came and bought a lot of biltong, and then you asked them, is it for a biltong pot? They said yes, and they said, how, what is your ingredients?
And
everybody had something else they put in. So we have tried a lot of biltong pots, and this is our favorite one, and this is what we're going to share with all the people outside.
This is our recipe. You might differ, but yeah, there's lots of different ways to do it, but this is the way. This is the one that works for us.
It's actually very nice for the day after, the day after, the day after that, and you put it on the rice.
And it's so easy. All you need is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. You need a bit of cheese. You need a bit of mushrooms. You need the biltong, and you can see I have chosen some biltong with not yellow fat, the white fat, because the yellow fat
it's too fatty.
It makes it oily. I found that the yellow fat makes it very oily, so the white fat is better. If you don't like fat, you can take biltong without fat, but we love fat. And we've got potatoes that's cut into slices like that. We've got bacon and onions. That's all. Oh yeah. And then you just got mushroom soup and cream. Yeah, and we're just gonna put some oil in the pot. And I just want to show you before I get to you. I chose the smallest pot, so you can laugh all you want, anytime. This is a very small pot. You can see there's my hand. It's as big as my hand, because it's just the two of us.
And that pot's gonna last for 3 days in any case.
Yeah, so it's just the two of us, so we're not making a big pot. But
and remember, that comes on rice also.
Yes, so you still make some rice. I don't like to put it inside of my pot. Some people put it inside.
It's not inside, it's on top.
It's on the side. Or you can put pasta in. I don't like to put pasta in. It makes the pot dry, I think. It just absorbs all the moisture and all the cream and stuff you put in. So if you want to put pasta on, put it on afterward, or put your pot on top of the pasta in your plate. Yeah, that's the best. Or on the rice. That's the best. That's what I find.
Or nice bread with butter.
Oh, but that's the next morning. That's the next morning. But anyway, well, we're gonna start.
Yes.
We have to cheers. Oh, we didn't even say. We're in Hartenbos at the moment. Welcome to our personal private holiday home. There's no hot tub here, unfortunately. We're still working on that one.
Working on it.
Yeah, working on it. But yeah, we got here 2 days ago with a lot of excitement, obviously.
Why?
Because this is the first time in 16 years that we actually use our own holiday home for holiday.
Yeah.
We always come here during the year, March, April and December, but then we come to work. We do the stalls here at the Arctic Cafe. But this year we decided, look, it's time to just use our home for what it was built for, holiday. Huh?
And it's quite nice.
Yeah, cheers on that one. First time in 16 years. Took us a while. Oh, you lekker lazy, ne? Huh? Is this what you thought a holiday is gonna be like?
What does it look like? Yes.
Huh? You're enjoying it?
It's my favorite place in this whole house.
Sure, huh? I must say it looks nice. I don't like that chair, but you like it.
I fit in it.
I'm too tall.
Yeah.
I don't fit in it. But anyway, I just wanted to say I am going to start the potjie now. Okay, so you can just lie there, relax.
Are you sure?
And just watch what I'm doing.
Okay, so you're gonna handle it with a one-hand camera and one hand.
I'm a man, I can do anything.
Oh, yes.
I can multitask. I can multitask.
No.
Okay.
That's the wrong thing to say.
The older I get, the more my hands go like this and they can multitask.
That's ambidextrous to call it.
Anyway, what goes in first is the onions. This is going to be very hot because I think this potjie has been on there for a couple of minutes. Okay, that's that. Then the bacon. The bacon must go in with the onions, and then you just fry that two together. Let them marry, like they say. Is there any advice you can give them, yeah?
Keep your husband happy.
This is what a happy husband looks like. But it's hot in here. Okay, you're just gonna let that fry for about 5 minutes, and then we will go on. Yes, what a lovely day, huh? Yeah, I must say the weather in Mossel Bay, Altenbosch is just stunning.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Wow. Huh? Wow. Just look at all these people on the beach, huh? This is crazy. We just came back from Thailand. Not even there, the beaches look like this. And this is still not even Easter weekend. Yeah. Yeah. Listen, I think 5 minutes is over.
So worry.
I forgot about the potjie. Yeah. Let me see. I just told you I can multitask, and now the first thing the first thing I must do is just I didn't burn it. Okay, I didn't burn it.
Okay, just stop that nonsense.
I say, okay, so that one is ready. Yeah, next we put in the potatoes. What we normally do is we pack layers. But this potjie is too small for layers.
What? No.
Yeah, it's too small. I promise you.
You can't do that. Put the layers. That's very important. Oh, no, man.
What?
Don't you have something
What?
to help you?
You helping me?
But where's
Okay, that's
your,
No, don't worry.
tongs?
That's the potatoes, and then we put the. Then we put in the.
This is
the
the
biltong.
main ingredient.
I think it must be beef biltong,
Yes, I
and
also.
I think it must be biltong with a bit of fat on it, like that.
Yes.
Okay, that's a layer, and then you put in
What's next?
the mushrooms.
Sliced mushrooms.
Sliced mushrooms, just a layer, and one fell. That's for good luck.
Okay, yes.
Okay. And then you just pack your layers further.
Yeah, it's
And
just
again,
like 3 layers.
This potjie is so small. That's the potatoes again.
Yeah.
Biltong again.
No, that is too.
That's wastage.
You want some more? I've got some more.
No, that's enough.
Good enough.
It's only for us. Okay. And then the rest of the mushrooms, they go in.
Jeez, it's quite hot.
It's very hot. Why do you think I'm so quick here?
Yeah.
It's very hot. And then, what you do then is, you don't put any spices in. No spices, no salt, no pepper, nothing. Because the biltong has got its own spice. You just put a little bit of, like a cup of water with that.
Listen to the potjie king, eh?
Yeah.
This is never made the pot
made
that didn't taste delicious.
I made a couple of pots in my days.
I know that.
Okay, so then you do it like that,
Oh.
and you just put the lid on.
What?
Yeah, then you just put the lid on,
Yes.
and that's it. Then you just leave it for 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So it's just the potatoes that must get cooked. The rest is all. The
Alright.
mushrooms is like cooked already. It's like quick. So
So
yeah. it's a
are
very
you
easy
gonna
one.
set the timer or are you gonna remember?
I know. If I drink another 2 glasses of wine, that's gonna be like 20 minutes.
Oh
So I'll time it on the wine.
Speedy Gonzales, I say.
But listen, while I do this, while I drink 2 glasses of wine, and while the potjie is going, let me show you. We went to Kaka the other day, 2023. So this is what we found there. Enjoy it. Hey, we in Oudtshoorn, Kaka, huh? First time we're doing Kaka and not working here. Yeah, it's public. Oh, all these tall people. Razai, and look who we bumped into at the Kaak in Oudtshoorn.
Mr. Baggett.
Mr. Bakgat Promotions. Christo, welcome to my channel.
Hallo.
Hallo, nee, ek soek aan my drukkie.
Ik weet niet of je het zoet niet.
Yeah. So what are you doing here?
Ik heb voor jullie kom zoek.
Ah, lekker.
Ja, nou moet ik Engels praten.
Nee, je kan Afrikaans praten.
Ja, ik is hier om mijn show te promoten.
Die
Bakgaat Country op Schop.
Ah,
Die 3 Juni bij Grand West. Baie goeie kunstenaars soos West, Christels, Ilandre, Cherie, Tommy Del, Kraina Field. Julle moet dit nie mis nie, hè?
En waar kan hulle boek?
iTickets.
iTickets. Kan hulle nie vir jou bel nie?
Kan vir my bel op 082 895 5093. Bakgaat Promosies. Kyk ons.
Doen
Of
dit.
gaan op die website www.bakgaatpromosies.co.za.
Right, ek hoop julle gaan hom ondersteun.
Don't miss it, nee, don't miss it.
Yes. Al julle Engelse mense ook.
And this is what I remember of the old Kaak, huh? All the ostrich feathers. Yeah, hello. This is what we remember. It's 120 rand per person, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, for the whole day. And then you can go to the castle tent and sit there and watch all the shows.
Lip lekker wyn.
Lip lekker, saal. Okay. Sa, dankie.
Vanoggend staan hy op. Dit is my tyd tot hier toe. Nie verder nie. Ek lees in my lewe nooit weer 'n boek nie.
As die mense sommer hier kom
Bij Myers Wine voor de glaskas. Kijk ons en dan zie je dat er nog een boos mensen zo. Werk is nog een boos, ons is daar die 15e samen met
What did you buy?
En dan
Delicious steak. Kudu steak and chips.
It looks so nice.
It was banting steak, now it's chips with it.
No more band. You're gonna watch some shows? Yes, I'll get it. The beer just now. Early beers in the house. It's time for the old people to go home. Yeah, this music is not for us. It's driving me crazy. But it's lekker. Kaak en Kaak. You can go. Over and out. Okay, I couldn't make 2 glasses, but I made 1.5 glass. Huh? In 20 minutes.
Chips.
Okay, we've mixed the mushroom soup and the cream together. Just make sure that all the klonte. What is klonte in English?
Never mind.
But all the klonte is out. Nice.
Put the sauce in.
Yeah. And you just pour it all over like that. Now what I like to do, I know the people that make potjie kos, they say you don't touch the food.
Yeah.
You don't mix it, you just leave it. But with this one, I found it's a little bit different. Once you put that in, you have to do this.
Oh, you must stir it.
You not stir,
Just lift it.
it.
Air.
Yeah, just lift it like that. Otherwise, you don't get all the sauce because there's not a lot of sauce in it.
Yeah.
You don't get everything in between
And the
everything.
cheese is just for melting on top at the
Yeah.
end.
But I think this potjie is a little bit dry, so can you give me a little bit of water, please? More water, yeah. So we just mix a little bit of water in, like that. It depends on how saucy you like your pot. But I like to do it like this, and even to not mash, but just to break up the potatoes.
The pot doesn't look like much at the
No,
moment.
it doesn't
but
look nice.
Geez, just
But
wait
people,
a bit.
this pot tomorrow morning, obviously you're gonna eat it now.
Oh, now
But tomorrow morning on a piece of toast.
Yeah, very good. But now the pot is very bland. It looks very bland. The colors. I bought the white cheddar as well.
Oh yeah. And then you just take the cheese and you just put it all on top. Like that.
On top.
It's a nice and rich pot. Ooh, this is gonna be nice. And you remember, no salt, no sugar, no pepper, nothing
And another thing, no eating.
in between.
Leave it for 2 hours. Whoop. The
So-
aroma.
So what she's saying to me is, that's gonna be another 4, 5, 6 glasses.
20 minutes for the pot and 2 hours for cayering. So,
Okay, yeah, this is the best part of the
This-
day, of the potjie, of the braai, of the whole thing. Opening it and see the final product. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that cheese.
Can
Huh?
I take a spoon?
Yeah, you're not supposed. Where are you gonna put that now?
I'm just gonna show them.
Oh,
Look at that. Bacon. Everything.
Mm.
With cheese.
cheesy, that's nice and cheesy.
Can't wait.
Me as well.
what did I say?
Then you put
What
this.
did I say?
What?
Wait another 2 hours. So this is where it starts.
Oh, so we're gonna, yeah, I'm gonna have 6 more glasses.
Yes. 2 hours.
think we-
Time it.
I think this is for tomorrow morning. But anyway, you can dish that up onto rice or pasta, whatever you like.
Bread.
Yeah, bread, whatever you like.
Okay, now it's another hour and 50 minutes.
I hope you guys enjoyed our potjie recipe. The sun is setting. We started at about 3 o'clock. This potjie only takes 20 minutes. What happened to the time? The sun is setting. It's
That was
almost 6.
preparing.
Anyway, don't do what we do. We just
Do what we do.
just make it a keier.
That's what life's
Yeah,
about.
that's what life's about. Okay, we'll see you again next time. We're going to the love bubble.
Oh,
Yeah, next week we're going to the love
that's
bubble.
a whole different story.
I'm scared of that one. Huh? I don't think we're going to be able
I
to.
hope the place lived up to its expectation.
I don't think we're going to be able to put any cameras on there.
We'll just show them the house and then it's goodbye.
Cheers, we're going to party a bit longer and then we're going to eat that. You must try this
Right.
potjie. I want to see videos. You can send me videos of your version.
Yeah, or leave your comments and then.
We love this potjie, but I hope you try it. Cheers.
Oh, Keith is gonna explain to you how to subscribe if you're watching YouTube on the TV.
I must still do that, yeah.
Yes, because we found out that a lot of people that
Don't know
came
how
to
to.
greet us said that, oh, they love the videos and everything, but they didn't subscribe because they don't know how to do it on the television.
So we're gonna do that.
So you're gonna get the master class.
So this video is gonna be biltong potjie, KAK&K, and how to subscribe on your TV. Cheers. We'll see you
Bye.
again. Bye. Okay, this is gonna be a short masterclass on how to subscribe when you're watching YouTube on your TV. It's very easy, 3 easy steps. You just, when you're in on one of our videos, you just press the arrow up and up again twice, and you just go to the right. You'll see there by the channel, you click on the channel, and then you get to this screen where you just go down to subscribe and just click subscribe, and then you subscribe. It's as easy as that. And if you want to, you can go down one more to notifications. If you click that, you will just get notified whenever we upload a new video again. And I just want to say, this is completely free. It won't cost you anything, nothing. The only reason why we want you to do that is whenever you go into YouTube, then you don't have to go and search, because a lot of people said they must search for our videos. They can't really get them. So when you subscribe, whenever you go into YouTube, our videos will be on your screen there, and you will see them immediately. So you can just go and click on them. That's the nice thing about it. So I hope you guys find the subscribe button and subscribe. Thank you very much.